If you grind your teeth at night or you clench, this stretch is going to change your life. Okay, it's gonna look super weird, but like basically just like look straight, turn your head this way, tilt it upwards a bit, and you're gonna feel a stretch probably in here, and then open your mouth. And like I can feel this side all the way up through like this area, all the way up to my head actually. That's how bad this side is. And if I do the other way, it's not as bad, but I can feel it like all through like here. So I hope that helps because that's been helping me.